All right, so here's a look at this 5-way mirror that I've got set up here. You can see that I've got it attached up here at the top of the door, which that's one of the best things about this one is the fact that you could just attach it onto your door and you're gonna have it right at your eye level. You could also adjust this as well. So if you needed to go lower or go higher, you could just pull this and adjust it up and down. Now, this 5-way mirror is gonna be perfect for anybody who's gonna be doing a self haircut, or if you're just gonna be trimming up maybe even something like your beard, it actually helps a lot. Like this piece right here down at the bottom is great for when I'm standing here, I'm able to see the bottom of my beard nice and clearly because of the mirror kind of tilting up. Now, if I'm gonna be doing, let's say the back of my hair, I need to do a little bit of touch up there. I would push these closer and I'm able to see all the way on the back of my head right here where it makes it nice and easy for me to cut. I know before I used to just try to use my medicine cabinet, which you can see right here, which it kind of worked, but didn't really work because when you do that, you also have a flipped mirror and it makes it really difficult for you to kind of go the opposite direction. So having a mirror like this is nice because when you move it left, it moves left. When you move it right, it moves right. Rather than the one over there is very difficult because it's going to be reversed. So like I said, this is great if you do your own haircuts or if you're kind of just doing a little bit of touch up. Maybe you have short hair and you kind of just need to go over everything and make sure that it's even. This is perfect for that. Now also you have this up here at the top as well. So if you're gonna be lining yourself up, this is awesome because you could just sit here, line your hair up nice and perfect. And you've got a top down view, you've got your bottom up view, you've got your side view, you've got your other side view. And another thing that it actually helps with a lot, and I know that a lot of guys will struggle with this, is when you're trying to like line up the side of your beard or clean this part up here, it's so difficult to see because it's basically behind your jaw. You can actually use this, tilt it, and then you can shave your beard over here on the side. So you're able to pretty much get every single spot on your head with just one mirror. You can also see that there is a LED light here. So if I tap it, you'll see it's gonna go to white, then it'll go off. And then the first one is gonna be blue and then back to kind of like this yellow orangish color. I feel like the yellow orange is nice if you're kind of just doing a basic cleanup job, but if you're really trying to get detailed and see like every hair, then having it on this bright white is perfect. This also is gonna fold up as well. So if you wanted to fold this up and bring it with you, you can see it folds all the way down to a square, and I could just pop this top part off. These hooks are gonna swing in, which would normally be attached to the top of the door. I can push this down and it's nice and compact. So if you're somebody that needs to bring this with you while you travel, it is compact and it goes all the way down. And then down here at the bottom, you've got your USB Type-C, which this is where you're gonna charge the device. So if you're looking for a 5-way mirror, something to make your beard and hair cutting a lot easier, then I would definitely recommend picking this up.